I quitted my 9 to 5 job after mastering these 5 trading rules, and I never have to work again. So if you want to escape your job and live your dream life, master these 5 rules. Firstly, don't fall in love. Don't fall in love with your trade means that you should not get attached to your trade. Let's say that you entered for a buy right here and you place your stop loss right here. And then you start seeing like the trade going against you like this, like it just keeps going down and going down, so you end up keep on moving your stop loss because it's like so near your stop loss and you're like so scared, right? You're like, oh my god, no, it's gonna hit my stop loss. So you keep on moving the stop loss, keep on moving it, and then the trade still keep on going against you and keep going down, and ultimately you can't take it anymore because the loss is like way too big, so you end up taking like a big L. Stop trading like that. I want you to remember that the market can do anything it wants. So once you place your stop loss, just leave it, and if you do get stopped out, just move on to the next trade. The next thing is that you do not want to fall in love with your bias. So right now you can see it's a bullish market, price is in an uptrend, price is going up. So you should only be looking to buy, right? But then you start seeing price break market structure, break through the trend line and reversing to become a downtrend. In this case, you do not want to be attached to your bullish bias. So right now, price has broken market structure and is in a downtrend right now. So instead of still continue looking to buy, you should be looking to sell right now. So you never ever want to like fix your bias onto the market because the market can do anything it wants. Once again, the next thing is don't fall in love with your market. Let's say that you have been trading EURUSD for a few months now. It's your favorite currency pair on the list, but then you start seeing that it gets slow and choppy recently because maybe this month there is not much volatility in EURUSD. But then you see GBP USD moving like crazy. In this case, go trade GBP USD. Alright, just because you've been trading EURUSD for like a few months now does not mean that you are in a marriage with it. Alright, you don't care about that shit. Just move on to GBP USD, find a currency pair which have much more opportunity, then trade that one. Do not be so fixated on your favorite currency pair that you just neglect those that give you opportunities. If you fail to plan, you plan to fail. If you want to build a house, you need to follow a blueprint, right? Because if you anyhow build the house, that house is going to crumble. That is exactly why you must create a solid trading system, because a solid trading system essentially acts as a blueprint for your trading. So a trading system comprises of 4 things. Number 1, a trading plan. So a trading plan consists of a lot of factors like what time are you going to be trading, what currency pairs are you going to be trading, and then which brings us to the next point. It also comprises of your risk management plan. How much money are you willing to risk per trade? What lot size are you going to be using? All of these things takes into account your risk management. And what should your risk to reward ratio be? Like for me, if it's less than 1:2, I will not take that trade. Next, before you start trading live, you have to make sure that your trading strategy works, because if you don't, you're gonna be so frustrated and you're gonna lose a lot of money. So make sure that you use a winning strategy that is tested multiple times and you know that it works. A trading strategy is very important because it allows you to understand where to enter for a buy, where to enter for a sell, when to stay out of the markets, and where you should place your stop loss and where you should place your take profits. Next, you also need to have a trading journal. Having a trading journal is so important in your trading because it allows you to write down all your trading mistakes so you can learn from them. Number 3 is become a good loser. As humans, we hate to lose, right? And we have been conditioned by society that, oh, losing is bad, failure is bad, hehe. I want you to change the way that you think about losses. Losses are not bad. Losses are only bad if you do not learn from it. Every single loss puts you much closer to a win because you have to lose in order to win in trading. We hate to be wrong, right? But I'm telling you, it is okay to be wrong in trading because you can lose a few trades in a row and just win one and be profitable if you practice proper risk management. Professional traders, they are very good at taking losses because when they lose a trade, they don't feel like, oh, I'm the worst at trading. They take a loss and then they just move on to the next trade as if nothing has ever happened. So that should be the mentality that you need to adopt. You need to remember that losing is really part of the game. So for me, I don't care if I lose a trade because I know that when I win big. So I can lose 3 trades in a row and still be profitable. Number 4, don't break your trading rules. I know you hear this a lot, but it is true. The more disciplined you become as a trader, the more money you make from trading. I know it's super duper hard, but you have to try to become more disciplined. Things like follow your trading plan, journal your trades, use the correct lot size. All of these things will help you become more disciplined. Successful people, they are very disciplined. When people ask me like, where do I get all this motivation from? I tell them that I'm only able to get to where I am today because I value discipline over motivation. The man who works when he don't feel like it will always beats the man who work when he only feel like it. Think about that for a minute. Remember guys, discipline can make you rich. So many beginner traders, they keep making the same mistake over and over again, which brings us to the next point, which is always improve. This is very important guys, because as a trader or as a human, you must always be learning, you must always be improving, which is why I would advise you to aim to become 1% better every single day. Because like, I understand that you probably can't go from a total loser to becoming a disciplined trader the next day, right? It takes a lot of time, it takes a lot of discipline, it takes a lot of dedication. So that is why I would advise you to really just aim to be 1% better. So becoming a better trader does not mean that you need to make more money when you are trading. You can still be losing and become a better trader, because becoming a better trader is all about reducing the mistakes that you make. Becoming a better trader means that you are making less and less beginner mistakes. Last time you might use a lot size that is way too big for your account, but now you practice proper risk management and you don't do that anymore. You don't commit the same mistake anymore. That itself is progress. That means that you have become a better trader. And when you become a better trader, that means you are becoming a more disciplined trader. And when you become a more disciplined trader, money will come. So I really want you to adopt this mindset of becoming a better trader instead of trying to make a lot of money in a short amount of time. No, just adopt this mindset of becoming a better trader, becoming a more disciplined trader. Because when you do that, trust me when I say that, money will be coming to you. You won't have to chase money anymore, money will be coming to you. Bonus tip, never ever quit. Why are you making excuses? You are broke. There is nothing for you to lose except for maybe your hard-earned money. But there is nothing for you to lose. All the benefits of trading outweighs literally everything. When you do actually master trading, you will achieve the freedom that you have always dreamed of. You'll be able to live your dream life. You'll be able to get your location freedom, which allows you to work wherever you want. You can be sitting on a nice beach in Puerto Rico and then still be making money. You don't have to worry about money anymore because now you can actually put food on the table for your family. And you don't have to work for your stupid boss anymore. I came from nothing and I still made it because I did not quit. So please do not give up, because I believe in you. And I hope that you can believe in yourself. I still have a lot more tips to share with you guys. So if this video reach 200 likes, I will release a part 2. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit on that subscribe button. Welcome to the tribe. And remember, you're just one trade away. Mwah.